Hi, welcome back to Step Up Your Game Plan, or welcome if this is your first time. I'm Joanna. I upload videos almost every day on how to earn money from home. So if that is something that you are looking for, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell to be notified whenever I upload a new video. And if you are looking if you are looking to step up your game plan in life and stop trading your time for money, make sure to check out the link below this video for more details. I did a little bit of research on jobs available for pregnant women. As we all know, once you get so far into your pregnancy, you are not able to go to work because you have other kids you need to take care of. But if you sometimes you still want to supplement your income, or help out with income coming in every month. So I found out about 3 companies that are that require no experience and that are really flexible when it comes to working from home. So we're going to go ahead and take a look at these 3 websites and how and what is it that they offer. Okay, now the first one is GMR Transcription. Now, as on the other videos, I do post the links directly to this site. You don't have to go look for it. You don't have to have a hard time. So I'm going to go ahead and post the links to these websites directly under the description below this video, so you can go ahead and take a look at it. Now, like I said, the first one that we're going to look at is called GMR Transcription. Now, if we scroll down in this page, it gives you a little bit of details on what they offer and everything. So it says our transcriptionists, translators typically earn between $1,000 to $3,000 a month, depending on their skills and the kind of work they take. And this company is based on in the U.S. only, so they only hire people in the U.S. So if you are located in outside of the U.S., this is not available outside of the U.S. So, and then they do have here they show the current job openings, and then you can click here to apply and it'll take you to the application. Now, if we scroll down, joining the GMR team, continuous growth and learning. We value the team of transcriptionists. We pride ourselves in the wonderful relationships we have built with them. And then it tells you a little bit more. And the thing that I like about it too is that there are no fees or experience needed, and all you need is a computer with high-speed internet, Microsoft Office, and a foot pedal over the ear headphones. And there's no experience required, but there is a test that you have to take, and there is a test that you have to take in order for you to qualify, and depending on the speed and the accuracy on your typing. And but there are also, and if you feel like you are not capable of doing something like this, there are free websites that you can go and just practice your typing skills. And I mean, once you feel comfortable enough, or once you reach that goal, that number that you want to, you can always come back and do it. Take the test here. So, and it says work from home with flexibility. You have the freedom to work from home at your own pace, with the flexibility to pick and choose which assignments you take. Working as much or as little as you want is entirely up to you. So I think this is a really good option for pregnant women, or for any stay-at-home parents. If you have little ones and you take care of them, and whenever it's their downtime, whenever they take a nap, or whatever you have the time available, you can do this, and with time and every day going by, your whatever you earn can start adding up, and it'll help you out paying bills and things like that. So that's GMR transcription. Now we're going to go ahead and move on to another one, and this one it's called TranscribeMe. And in this page, now this is where it gives you the option if you want to join the team, and then it says top rated best work from home site. We offer the opportunity to be a part of our unique community at one of the best transcription companies and create lasting connections with professionals all over the world. Now this one, it is available all over the world, depending, it doesn't matter whichever country you are located, as long as you meet the qualifications. And you can, if you have a computer, and you have, right here it says all you need is a computer, a reliable internet connection, and the ability to transcribe audio and video in any of the languages that we support. So if you know any other languages other than English, they do have jobs available or audios available that you can transcribe. And then if we scroll down, it says what we offer. Now here it provides a little bit more detail on how they pay. It says we pay more than anyone. We have the industry's best rates, with earnings starting at $15 to $22 per audio. Go ahead and take a look and read the description, and you can read about the company and everything, and that way you can start getting more of an idea of what the company is about. And then what I like about this too is that there is no experience required or upfront investment. So it is completely free. All you need is reliable internet and computer. That's all you need in order for you to get started with this company. And then freedom and flexibility, especially. The purpose of this video is to have the freedom and flexibility. These companies that I'm going to be showing you, they provide that. And now it says work from the comfort of your own home whenever you want and how much you want. Transcribe short 1 to 2 minute clips, not long interviews, and when complete, our system sends another micro task to transcribe. There is no limit to how many can be processed at once. Okay, so there's no limit. If you want to do as many as you want, as long as the tasks are available, you can do as many as you want. And the program and payment plan. Okay, now here it tells you that they pay regularly and securely via PayPal. Keep track of earnings in real time. You know exactly how much has been accumulated. Request payment at any time and receive money in US dollars via PayPal for all the work completed on a weekly basis. So they pay on a weekly basis. Okay, so that is TranscribeMe. Now you can come and I'm going to be posting the link so you can come and do your own research and read about the companies and the sites. And the last one that we're going to be talking about today is called Daily Transcription. Now this one, it has more options as to the positions that are available. And now if we scroll down, it does talk about the company and the benefits of working with daily transcription. And it tells you, again, flexibility, create your own schedule, work where and whenever you want, assignments come to you, paid weekly. Okay, we pay higher rates than our competitors. You receive training, feedback, and coaching, and you collaborate with like-minded people to learn from the best. and so on and so forth. Okay, and now on this one it says we don't guarantee a specific amount of work per day, week, but our top transcriptionist makes anywhere from $250 to $950 per week. Okay, so depending on the job that is available, and also depending on how high are your skills with the more experiences that with the more experience that you start getting over time, you can start earning more. And then it tells you here who are they looking for: stay-at-home mothers, fathers, students, part-time teachers, writers, academics, or anyone who wants to supplement their income. You must be highly detailed. You must be a highly detailed individual who is committed to perfection, independent workers who can meet strict deadlines, and so on and so forth. How to get started. And then it tells you here how to get started. Then it also gives you the frequently asked questions here down on this page. Now, if we go right here where it says transcriptionist, in this section, you can go ahead and click on this, and it's going to take you to the application directly. Now, let's say, for instance, if you were interested in any other of these positions, you can go ahead and click on that. But like I said, go ahead and come and visit the website yourself, read, and do your own research, and then find out if this is something that you will be interested in. And so those are the 3 websites that I have today. Now, but if you are looking to earn more than just a small amount of money, and you would like to create passive income working from home, go ahead and check out the link below this video. And to get more details as to what I'm talking about, go ahead and share with somebody that you think that may be needing something like this, and that you can help them. Feel free to share this video. And until next time, thank you.